Hello patients, clients and colleagues. Welcome to AudioLogic. Today I'm going to talk to you about fully rechargeable hearing aids. The first fully rechargeable hearing aid was released in 2016. Since then, we have other models which are now available in the market. Fully rechargeable hearing aids share the same technology as the battery-operated ones, but they just have the option of being put into a charger at night, so you don't have to fiddle around with batteries. The fully rechargeable option does not have a zinc air battery. It has an inbuilt lithium-ion cell, which lasts for about 4 to 5 years and is replaced by the audiologist at the clinic or at the manufacturer. I have one example here of a fully rechargeable hearing aid. The hearing aid is removed from the ear and is placed into the charger. The hearing aid will automatically turn off when it goes into the charger. The hearing aid only takes 3 hours to fully charge, and that will give you 20 to 24 hours of hearing. So every night when you're not wearing your hearing aid, you would put the hearing aid in the charger, and it can stay in the charger even if it's fully charged. The next day, when you're ready to wear your hearing aid, you would remove the hearing aid from the charger and it automatically turns on for you, and then you place the hearing aid in your ear. The advantages of fully rechargeable hearing aids include the convenience of not having to fiddle around with batteries, purchase new batteries, and replace the battery in the hearing aid. This can be very convenient for people with manual dexterity issues. The fully rechargeable hearing aid model is a bit more expensive than the battery-operated one. However, you're not having to purchase new batteries, so you do break even in the end. Purchasing a hearing aid with a battery or one which is fully rechargeable is a personal decision. There are advantages with the fully rechargeable option, such as the convenience of not having to change a battery, not having to dispose hearing aid batteries into the environment, and not having to manually turn on and off your hearing aid via opening the battery door. All these options will be discussed with you at your appointment.
Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe to give your support to the channel, and hit the bell icon too so that you don't miss out on the next new video. AudioLogic, premium hearing care.